I wanted to ask if you could possibly put this into connection with Leviticus 27:28, which talks about devotions of things to God as sacred, most sacred. It's a case of the cherem. And yesterday, Lior Barshak defined the sacred as things that are inalienable, which doesn't seem quite right. It seems to be that there is a power of disposition here that somebody has that relates to ownership. And once something has been sent into the domain of the sacred, it can't be retrieved back or redeemed. So I'm trying to figure out how this might relate to the text that you're talking about, where these seem to be property categories and property relations.
Which is property categories?
The father's ownership of the daughter, the traditional power of the paterfamilias to possibly own the children and possibly dispose them in any way that he sees fit. And that seems to transition to the husband when the woman is married. And if we can read that as a property category, now in Leviticus 27:28, it says if somebody devotes, puts under the cherem something that he hath, so it's a possessive relationship, then it can't be redeemed back but must die the death. I wonder, is the case of Yiftach's daughter a case of the cherem, and does it reinforce this idea that we heard yesterday, that what has been made sacred, indeed, as this verse, Leviticus 27:28 says, most sacred, has become inalienable in the sense that it cannot any longer be redeemed back by purchase or further redemption? And also, what does this have to do with the question of sacred property and in the context of such devotions? Because the possession of women seems to be implied here as chattel who can be disposed of in the same way that animals can be devoted.
You mean
also.
in Judges?
Yeah. Because